English Higher Secondary School Nongpoh Mentagasngi ka arpo trik gulber kalapulong ye ka third annual science exhibition haplau jong ka school kumshi benta banrakhe ya ka National Science Day bat hakaju kapor kalong ban penslur ye ki khna school bakin danglum jingtip shibun ha ka bayde ba ka jing start science kat kum ka juk ka bamenta habapli ya kane ka science exhibition lawan bania shimenta da ka principal ka kong WK bla la sakhilang ru da ka jinge don lang u vice principal u Dr. KB Kharba Ateng u no hikai science u Babu Madhav Singh kiwi ki nong hikai bat ki khna school jong ka te ka school ha kane ka science exhibition ki don hadu arpo artli ki model ki bala pankre da ki khna school halor ki phang ba pher ki bayade bat ka jing start science
Today we are organizing this science exhibition, though it's a mini one, not a very huge one, like celebrating the National Science Day, which falls on the 28th of February every year, in honor of the scientist, the great scientist, C.V. Raman. But because we had the board exams during the 28th of February, you know it, so we could not conduct this exhibition, and now we are here. I'm so happy that two of our very own past pupils from the press are here with us, supporting our program all the time, many times. Sir DSU was supposed to be here today, but for some unavoidable reason is not here. But in absentia, I'm on behalf of the school, Alpha English Higher Secondary School, welcoming him. He may drop in any time the afternoon later. We will reorganize, and I want all of you not to bring down any of the exhibition. It has to be displayed properly till the time, till the very end, till all the students can see and observe, as well as the 12 science students. So, on behalf of the school again, I stand here to welcome Sir DSEO of the Ringhoi district, Sir Arshada, and the press we have here, the teachers, science teachers of the higher secondary, science teachers and all the teachers of the secondary, who will be passing on later, and all the students seated here. I want to remind you that you are here for purpose. As we pray, thank you, sir, for the lovely prayer. We pray for the rain to stop, but God knows that we need the rain as well. So let's not complain about the rain, about the heat of the sun. We need all of this, but today, because we don't have a hall as yet, so we don't want the rain for today. However, all these are God's blessings, and conducting this program is also God's blessing, so that each one of you, especially those who are participating, I'm sure while preparing all these models, you are able to learn yourself by doing the work, preparing all the charts and all the models. And those who will be observing and listening to your explanation of the models that you have displayed will learn from each display that's being done. So thank you very much, teachers, for your encouragement from the secondary, class 10 and the class 12 science students, the teachers, and the students who are themselves very much willing to do it. I'll tell you, boys and girls, we are moving in an age which is super fast. We have the AI and the robotics. Hopefully soon we will have the robotic and AI lab in our school. We are looking forward to that, say by next year. Because we want to upgrade you with science. Science is the only thing that never goes back or regrets. It's always progressing. And we students should catch up with the time and the progress of science and knowledge. So that is why we are here. I'd like to special thanks to Sir Singh. Yesterday our students managed to get a second prize in the science exhibition organized by the Office of the District School Education Officer. Nimisha, Medhi and Rahul Amin. Let's give them a big round of applause. We have the trophy with us as well. Thank you so much. It's not because you know everything, but we want to expose you to learn. And that is the aim of Alpha School when starting the science stream, when organizing these programs, various programs at every level, being it from any activities. We want you to learn and be exposed to things that you don't know or you may not know. And we want you to learn more and more. That is why we are here for this purpose, and I want you to learn. Please do not play joke on anything that's being done here. This is no joke. And life is not a joke all the time. We want you to be scientific minded, to have that scientific attitude. How? By learning, observing, then trying with our own hands and our own mind to think logically, to think critically, and then when we have problems, we solve. When we have problems, we just don't complain. What do? We think, why this problem arises? How should we go about to solve it? And then as scientific and students with scientific mind and attitude, we will try to solve the problem.
Third annual science exhibition organized by Alpha English Higher Secondary School for our own student to speak on STEM. Now you can see on the banner, third annual science exhibition 2026. Down here, theme is given STEM for Vikasit and Atmanirbhar Bharat. So STEM, what is STEM? So STEM consists of four terms. S stand for science, T technology, E, can anyone help me? Engineering, good, and M, mathematics. So these four terms or the four words is very important for creative mind. And in every aspect of life, we need certain ideas, and those ideas can be implemented or not. It can be a hypothesis, later on can be a theory. But it is all possible when we have STEM in us. So STEM education in India refers to learning and teaching in four key areas. Those key areas, what I mentioned here is science, technology, engineering and mathematics. STEM education is being promoted through certain initiative like you heard maybe Atal Tinkering Lab is one of the initiatives. Then Digital India, then our National Education Policy 2020, which encourages the skill-based and multidisciplinary learning to the students and teachers. Let me tell you the importance of STEM for children. It develops critical thinking, like what ma'am, she has already mentioned. It builds the practical skills, encourage innovation, create better career opportunities, just like engineering, medicine, artificial intelligence, space science. The role of STEM to support the Vikasit virus, that is called Develop India, by creating skilled professional, then boosting the research and innovation, making India globally competitive. Now, what is the role of STEM for Atmanirbhar Bharat? That means self-reliant India. So STEM is essential for Atmanirbhar Bharat because it reduces dependence on foreign technology. You know that to make any type of device, sometimes we need certain type of chips or technology that we used to bring from other countries. But STEM will reduce this dependence on other countries. It encourages Make in India innovation. It helps students become job creator instead of job seeker. It promotes startup and entrepreneurship. STEM helps children think logically and ask questions and find solution instead of just answering or learning how to answer. You know, like in the class, sometimes teachers come and explain about the topic. Clear? So some students, they ask that we need notes. We are actually giving notes, personally I feel, is a wasting of time. Because once the lecture is given, what is the concept is clear to you or not. If the concept is clear, you try to make your own notes. When you make your own notes, that means you are developing that creative mind. Otherwise, you will be depending on the teacher. So this STEM program, it always helps the students to develop the curiosity to learn and try to solve the problems by yourself.